What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a nail set. Okay, let's get into it. You will need Kiss nails or whatever brand you'd like. They have a size for each of your fingers if you need that many. Then what also comes in the pack is a maximum speed nail glue. Please be careful with this, y'all. It does burn. Next, you will need a nail file. Any size will work. Then you'll need your cuticle oil. It doesn't matter what brand, but in this video I'm using Nail Tech. And you'll need your clear coat gel based. I use gel based because I want them thicker. And we're using 3 colors today, 3 nail polishes, 2 from Simple Colors and 1 from LA Colors. So as you can tell, all I did off camera was apply them and shape them to my specific nail bed, which is just kind of, shaping the bottom of them so they can fit and using the nail glue to apply them. Now the next step is simply shaping them. This, in my opinion, takes the longest, but it's the most important step, y'all, because just like we go to the nail shop, we go to the nail shop, we know what to do. Like, if you don't think you know what to do, trust me, you know what to do because we watch them do it every time. However often you go to get a set done, you know what to do. So it's all about shaping and getting them flat. Press-on nails do tend to come with a tad bit of bump at the top, which is what I'm filing down now, and that will come off just as long as you're shaping them really well. So that's all I'm doing in this step, you guys. I'm gonna speed it up for you, but I still want it to be precise, so please pay attention to how detailed I'm being in the actual shaping process. So after I've shaped them, guys, I'm just gonna apply my cuticle oil to all of my cuticles. On camera, I'm just doing one hand for you guys, just because the other hand takes more work, and I don't want to take up too much time. So now we are ready, y'all. We are ready for the paint. Now we have 3 colors because, like I told you, Bae chose these colors, by the way. Now these colors are gonna complement each other. Now this white is going to be used for just one nail because it's actually the base of what will be our ombre design. So you'll just see me, this part is just going to be the painting. The ombre is going to come after. Alright, y'all, as we're finishing up this second coat of paint, all I'm gonna do after this is actually sit in front of the fan, or whichever one you have, fan, dryer. I'm gonna sit in front of it for about 5 minutes just to let the color kind of soak in, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, y'all, for the ombre step, you will need wedge applicator sponges, and these are by Equate. You can get them at any store, you guys, very cheap. So now I'm going to be using the flat side, the bottom, technically the bottom of the sponge, but what I'm going to do is paint straight across 3 small lines. Now I'm using the color that I use as my base, our pink color, and our berry color. And it just depends on whether you want your ombre going from top to bottom or bottom to top. It does not matter. Now the biggest thing when it comes to ombre, y'all, I've actually been doing this design since I was maybe 8, like 8 or 9, because like I told y'all, I'm really big into art. And the only thing that's different from doing it on a palette or a board to your nails is just the dab and roll method. Now don't judge, girl, like don't judge how it looks right now, because the process is messy, the process is raggedy, I'm not even gonna lie, but the way that you get the look you want is by having all the colors blending together, then defining whether you want it to go from light to dark or dark to light. So it's just continuously putting on the various colors that you chose to get that definition that you like. Please take your time while doing this step so you get the desired look. Okay, y'all, so as you can tell, I'm just wrapping up this first coat of ombre, and we're actually going to go back under the dryer again for about 3 to 4 minutes, not too long, because we're going to do another coat of ombre, but just to let it blend, because whether you believe it or not, it will blend in under the fan, or in front of the dryer. Alright, so we're back, and I know you see the definition in itself without me even doing anything, y'all. So that's why I love to do this design. Like I said previously, I did it on my real nails. Now these babies, I'm just able to take up more space. So that's the benefit of it, y'all. So I really hope you like this design because it is one of my favorites. Okay, so guys, I'm just putting on that top layer of the light polish on my ombre and finishing it up. There will be a part 2 to this video, so please stay tuned. Now I'm just finishing it off with my clear coat, and this is gel based. I use a gel based clear coat, that way it can kind of be a filler, make it look thick but not too thick. And yes, stay tuned for the second part of this video, the part 2 that will be coming out, I want to say in maybe 2 weeks, because I just want to wear this set for a while. But the difference is I'll be using, I'll just say a powder, but it's going to be an easy alternative instead of having, we go out to the nail shops, we get acrylics. I like my acrylics thick, so I'll be showing you how I achieve that look as well, guys. This is the finished look, y'all. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and tuning into this video. I really appreciate all the support, and please smash that like button if you love this look.